Sinsang Tai Leher. My name is Sheila Belugtu. I was born on January 25, 1987. I am 37 years old. I am single, blessed with 3 children. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. My highest educational background is college level with a course, Bachelor in Science, major in Office Administration. I am a Baptist Christian. I work as a local housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years, since April 2020 to July 2023. I serve 3 members of the families. My duties and responsibilities there are doing household chores like cooking, washing, cleaning, and take care of them. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to provide my family needs. I don't know how to cook Chinese food, but I am willing to learn. I know how to take care of newborn babies, and I know how to sing a song like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. To my employer, Ma'am, Sir, please hire me as your domestic helper because I am hardworking, flexible, reliable, and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.